Good evening po sa lahat. I thought at first I was asked to give a retirement message. I have not done this before, and honestly, I have no idea what to say during a retirement party. Kaya nagpatulong ako sa AI. What I got from AI were congratulatory messages. Congratulate the retiree, congratulate them on reaching this milestone. Congratulations on your retirement. This gave me something to think about. Is it by our own merit we get to live long enough to see the day we retire? Siguro, instead of owning the merit, we attribute it to the grace of God. It is by God's grace that we are allowed to live to see our retirement day. So, whether it is retirement or birthday, my message is the same. It is in the context of thanksgiving. Give thanks to the Lord, and one way to give thanks is to make the Lord your priority. I understand that you've been aching to play computer games the whole day, but make the Lord your priority now. Tapos na yung panahong ang priority mo ang iyong trabaho na kahit bumabagyo, may COVID, pumapasok ka pa rin. Ngayon magre-retire ka na. Gawin mo ng priority si Lord. Spend more time in prayer. Attend Mass to receive the Eucharist more often. At kung kaya mo, mag-serve ka kay Lord. Sabi nga sa kanta, seek first the kingdom of God, and all things will be added unto you. Take care of your health also. Eat healthy, exercise, and get enough rest. Magpa-thorough check-up din. When we advance in age, parang sasakyan din na meron laging maintenance check-up. Because I tell you from experience that it is very unnerving to have a disability. Health is wealth. Again, happy birthday, happy retirement, and God bless.